Hello and welcome to the Copeland Check and Charge video. This video will cover how to navigate the Copeland Check and Charge app. To benefit from this video, you must have downloaded the Copeland Check and Charge app to your cell phone. If not, you need to visit your app store, enter it in your search engine, select Copeland Check and Charge, then download it to your cell phone. Let's get started. First, select the refrigerant by tapping the Tap Here to Change at the top of your screen. Select your refrigerant. Next, select the table icon to access the PT table. Tap on the back arrow to return to the landing page. Tap the setting icon to view units of measurements. Select Fahrenheit or Celsius, or select PSIG or kilopascal. You also have the option to contact Copeland, rate the app, download other Copeland apps, share the app, or visit the Copeland mobile app. Note, if you visit the Copeland mobile app, you will leave the Check and Charge app. Tap the back arrow to return to the landing page. Next, select Superheat. Tap Vapor Pressure. Scroll left or right to select your pressure. Tap Set to enter your pressure. Determine if you know your vapor line temperature by selecting I know my target or Estimate. Then tap Vapor line temperature. Scroll left or right to select your temperature, then tap the Set button. Tap Required Superheat, either tap Estimate or I know my target. If you tap I know my target, tap Required Superheat. Scroll left or right to select your superheat, then tap Set. Tap Calculate. Follow system status instructions. If you select Estimate, tap Wet Bulb Temperature. Scroll right or left to select desired temperature. Tap Set to enter temperature. Next, tap Condenser Dry Bulb Temperature. Scroll right or left to select desired temperature. Tap Set to enter temperature. Tap Calculate. In the System Status window, follow charging instructions. Tap the back arrow twice to get back to the landing page. To check your subcooling, tap Subcooling. Tap Liquid Pressure. Scroll left or right to your pressure. Then tap the Set to enter your pressure. Tap Liquid Line Temperature. Scroll left or right to select your temperature, then tap Set. Tap Required Subcooling. Scroll left or right to your temperature. Tap Set to enter your temperature. Tap Calculate at the bottom of your screen. In the System Status window, follow the charging instructions. Tap the arrow to return to the subcooling information page. Tap the arrow once again to return to the landing page. You also can check airflow requirements for AC application by tapping Airflow. Tap Indoor Dry Bulb. Scroll left or right to your temperature. Tap Set to enter the temperature. Tap Indoor Wet Bulb Temperature. Scroll left or right to your temperature. Tap Set to enter the temperature. Tap Evap Outlet Dry Bulb Temperature. Tap Calculate in the lower section of your screen. In the System Status window, follow the airflow instructions. Tap the back arrow twice to return to the landing page. Thank you for viewing this video. Please click like and subscribe to the Copeland video series.